Meet the new Diamond Force Extra Large Air Fryer with 8 preset functions. It's the perfect air fryer for your entire family. Its extra large cooking basket lets you prepare a full meal in a healthy and delicious way while using 99.5% less oil. Experience a convenient new way of cooking with 8 preset functions: fries, bacon, fish, shrimp, chicken, steak, baked goods, and dehydrate. Cleaning the basket of your Oster air fryer is easier than ever with our longest-lasting non-stick coating Diamond Force. Reinforced and infused with diamond particles for easy food release. Easy to clean, durable, PFOA-free, and with a dishwasher-safe basket. Create healthy, delicious meals for the entire family with the new Oster Diamond Force Extra Large Air Fryer.
Practical, powerful, and with style to spare, the Rotisserie stainless steel air fryer was built to make an impression. 9 original presets and a collection of custom recipes help deliver healthy results in all shapes and sizes. The intuitive LCD display gives you full control over time and temperature, while the preheat and alarm functions make sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish, no matter what you make. And when you're done cooking, the removable dishwasher-safe basket and stainless steel exterior keep cleanup quick and painless. So all you're left with is leftovers.
Introducing the 7-quart air fryer and dehydrator Max XL. This GoWise USA air fryer and dehydrator features a new slick square design, making for an even better fit on your kitchen countertop. The half stainless steel or copper colors are modern enough to never feel the need to hide it in a cabinet and keep it out all year long. Featuring a large touchscreen control panel with an ergonomic design, making it easier to start cooking with the touch of a button. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, grill, dehydrate, and even keep warm and preheat. Cook a delicious dinner with little to no oil, quickly and healthy for the whole family. Use its 3 stackable racks to prepare more servings of not only dehydrated foods, but any foods that you are cooking in excess. Utilize the newest features, the alarm button, to remind you to shake or flip your ingredients for best results, and the long-awaited mute function allowing you to turn off the sounds of button pressing. Easy cooking is followed by easy cleanup with its removable pan and crisper tray coated with PFOA-free non-stick material. Don't know where to start? This air fryer comes with a recipe book with 100 recipes tested right in our GoWise USA kitchen to get you started. GoWise USA 7-quart air fryer dehydrator Max XL. What will you make? And coming soon, the GoWise USA 7-quart air fryer dehydrator Matte Steel XL.